Taxiing out. Let them cross.
Timer cleared.
And we'll go up. Roger. Okay, taking off.
Event t-shirts for sale down here in the center of the pits area.
Take it off.
There's 2 different colors, so why don't you come on down and take a look.
Gear up, flaps up.
I'm gonna wait for this big plane to go by and I'll make a pass.
Now you got the 14 blade setup in that, right?
This is a 12 blade FMS.
Okay.
Fast, slow pass from the left. Yeah, it moves pretty good. It moves really good in the wind, but yeah. If I build up the speed a little more, it's fast.
Drone up there too.
Yeah, I see. Oh, right there? Yeah, sheesh. Okay.
10 o'clock.
I see it. Thank you.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'll hang out a little bit till these guys come down.
Drone's not the best place.
No, it isn't, and I don't know why it is. Low pass from the left. Come on in.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Once this,
Nice, man. You got that dialed.
thank you. Yeah, once this guy comes down, I'll get on it a little more.
Pilots, as a reminder, we do have a pilot sign-up sheet in the middle of the pits here where I'm standing. We need your AMA information, and it also makes you eligible for the free pilots raffle.
I'm on a runway.
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
It's like the wind changed direction.
1. Time expired.
Or is that a thermal going through? I got a little more time than this. This,
Got a little crosswind that pops
Yeah.
up here.
it comes and goes. Yeah, that's a problem. Let me do a fast pass. Fast, slow pass from the left.
Great speed.
They gotta hurry up because they gotta land here.
You want me to tell them to hold?
Yeah, tell them to hold.
Gear down. One.
I gotta land from the left. Landing from the left. Stay there.
Landing flaps.
Yep. On the runway. Wind change? No.
Flaps up.
Ah.
Gear up. Gear down.
Runway clear!